Personnel should never place their hands on a suspended load, but instead use tag lines or approved push poles. When using push poles, keep your feet shoulder width apart and keep your body centered. Never lean forward or backward, and never push with your hands above shoulder level. Push poles may be used to retrieve tag lines or slings on top of containers, but they should never be used to pull on the load itself. Push poles should also never be used as pry bars. Remember, push poles are used as a last resort. The safest thing to do is to get out of the way and let the machines do the maneuvering.